Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your WalmartOne account. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the point. First step, you want to search for WalmartOne and click on where it says company Walmart over here. Make sure it takes you to one.walmart.com. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this website. Now, before moving forward in this website, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel One to Step for future videos like this. So let's move on. And yeah, for those people who do not know WalmartOne is basically login page for Walmart employee. So if you're a normal Walmart person, you can log in into it. But if you're an employee, you can log in into it, because if you're an employee of Walmart is going to provide you a separate Walmart account, and you have to come over here in order to log in into it. All right. Once you come to this website, click on login at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on login, it's going to take you to the login page. Over here, you need to enter your user ID. It's going to be given to you by Walmart. And where it says country, you can choose which country you're from. So I'm from USA, so I'm going to choose United States. And where it says location, you got to choose which store location you work in. Is it home office or store club or DC? I'm on DC, so I'm going to choose DC. And remember, the information you need to enter over here is going to be different according to the store you choose, all right? So if I choose store/club, I need to enter my store or my club number over here as well. After entering that, I need to click on sign in. And if all the information I entered is correct, then I should be able to log in into my WalmartOne account. Once I'm inside it, I can manage my workday and other stuff, and, take advantage of the, services provided by Walmart to its staff. So hope you guys understand how you guys can log in into WalmartOne account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. See you guys next time. Bye bye.